today's video, I will show you how to claim free transfer from Wise. Here we have a message from wise.com that we received a free transfer and we can claim that by signing up. I received the free transfer in Japanese yen. If I'm going to use Philippine peso as my currency, I can calculate how much my free transfer is by simply converting Japanese yen to Philippine peso. I'll start by typing my email address. Then, I'll have my password here. I will then select personal up here, then select your country of registration. I will select the Philippines. Then, click the claim button below. Finish this authentication challenge. I'll select the Philippine country code and I'll enter my cell phone number here. Then, click this button to receive your verification code. I'll get your 6-digit code from my phone and type it here. Then click submit. Your registration is now complete, but you still need to verify your registration. And that's what we're going to do next. Click the decide later link here because I just want to verify my account first. We can now see the home page, but before we can do anything, we need to do another step. I'll click receive money so we can add our details. Fill in the details with your full legal name in these 2 boxes. Enter your date of birth, then enter your country of residence here. Home address here, your city here, and finally your zip code here. Then click confirm. On this page, select your currency for this account. I'll select US dollar. Hit the confirm button. You will also need to verify your identity, and you can start with that verification by clicking Get Account Details button. On this page, I can just proceed by selecting US dollar for the second time. Hit Continue. Click Get Link by email. I'll open my phone to finish the verification process. Let's log in and finish the verification process. You will be receiving 2 emails after finishing the verification. The first email will ask you to confirm your address like this. Simply click the confirm your email button. The last email will allow you to get your account details. On the home page, click recipients. Let us now add recipients by clicking the add a recipient button here and filling out this form below. The information of the recipient has been saved and you can now use that to send money to them by clicking the send money button. If you've been invited by someone who uses Wise, you'll receive a discount on your first transfer, regardless of the currency your payment is in. Since it's single use, you will need to send the maximum discounted amount in one transaction. As of today, we can see here that the maximum discounted amount right now is around $576 US. Rates can change all the time, so may be a bit different in the future. But if you see the total fee is not zero, even when you have not sent any money yet, you can still claim your free transfer by adding my referral link on this page. Just go to where you can see the earn link here. Then click enter a referral link at the bottom. You can use my referral link to claim your free transfer here and click submit. And when you go back to the send money page, type some amount. Let's say 100 or 200 or up to 500. You can now see that the total fee is still zero. And that's all. Just hit continue to proceed and finalize your transaction. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!